It's Restoration Monday.
Today I want to talk about the greatest project you will ever work on, and that is yourself. Guys, you see, life is a journey and it is easy to get caught up in a day-to-day tasks and responsibilities that we all have, as we can't actually predict with certainty on the twists and turns our lives are gonna take. But at the end of the day, the most important thing that should be at the forefront of our minds is to invest in ourselves. Because when we do that, we become better people, better friends, better partners, better parents, just better all around. Now, investing in yourself isn't always easy. It takes time, effort, and dedication, but the rewards are truly endless. When we take time to learn new things, to develop new skills, to push ourselves out of our comfort zones, we grow as people, we become more resilient, more adaptable, more confident. And the great thing is that there are so many ways to invest in yourself. You can take an online course, learn a new language, read a book, start a new hobby. The possibilities are just endless. You can also invest in your physical and mental health by eating well, exercising regularly, and taking care of your mental health. You'll be able to show up in the world as the best version of yourself, because a healthier mind is a healthier person. And finally, investing in yourself means taking the time to reflect on who you are and what you want out of life. It means setting realistic goals, making plans, and taking actions to make your dreams a reality. So my friends, I encourage you to make yourself the greatest project you will ever work on. Take the time to invest in yourself and you'll be amazed at the person you can become. This is because when we strive to become better than we are, everything around us become better, as Paulo D'Souza says. And the best part is that the project of self-improvement never truly ends. There is always a room to grow, to learn, and to become the best version of ourselves. It is a journey, remember, it is a journey and not a destination. And one thing I know for sure is that you can work on yourself, you will work on yourself, and you must work on yourself. When you do that and I do that, together can we make the world a better place. So say this with me: I'm gonna work on myself, I'm gonna do that, I deserve it, it is my time, it is my turn. Thank you for watching, guys, and remember, the greatest project you will ever work on is yourself.